Hey guys, it's Bikes and Stuff back with another video. Today we'll be working on a skidoo rev chassis. What you're gonna need are the new plugs to change your spark plugs in this. And in this case, 2006 MXZ-X 600 SDI will need the BR8 ECS. You're gonna need a 13/16 wrench or the socket. Socket works better, but at the moment it's occupied by my father. We're gonna open her up. So you can see the plugs are right here. So you want to remove the boots. You don't want to work with those on there. Remove the other boot. We're gonna slap one of these on, and remember, counterclockwise is that way. Very simple. Remove the rest, and then I'll show you what to do after. Now we're gonna take the new one with the crush washer. Just gonna thread it back in. All the way in. Now you don't want to tighten the spark plug too tight, otherwise you're going to have bad things happen, and it's not going to be fun to have to replace a whole piston because you put the wrong plug in or you tightened it way too tight and something broke off. So what I like to do with a brand new crush washer is find out exactly when it starts to get a little tight, and then you do about a quarter of a turn or an eighth. I'd do an eighth. After it's snug, do it an eighth of a turn, and then you should be golden. Then you put the right boot back on. Make sure it isn't going onto this one and this one's going over here, because then you're gonna have a messed up firing order. So you definitely don't want to put the boots on the wrong way, but it's very simple. I hope this helped, but if it didn't, well, let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe.